No? You're done with the boogie board, Scarlett?
Scarlett, let me try.
Do you not need to wipe your eye then?
I do.
Oh, okay. Ugh. Alright, here's the boogie board. Are you going to use it? Oh, you don't want to use it? You're going to sit here, Abby? Maybe. Sure, I'll sit down too.
I cannot see that doggy up here.
You can't see the... You should be able to still see the dolphins up here, maybe.
That is a no.
Oh, well, you never know. You can see that plane up there. So, look, there's birds flying. We can see the birds.
Oh, yeah. I know what that one.
Yeah.
Mommy don't want his teeth.
They want a fishy?
Yeah, Daddy wants his teeth. That only one I want to see. I'm going to get water. Thank you for letting me know. Mommy.
What, baby?
I know they want to know that.
She's not doing what?
She said Mom wants that water.
Oh, she's going to drink the ocean water?
Yeah.
That's gross. Why would she do that?
Yeah.
It's looking super flat from over here.
Mommy, make it like
We'll see. We might be able to see it again. Here comes Scarlett. Here comes Scarlett. Nope.
Oh, yeah. That Mom.
Oh, you don't want to be on the camera? Okay. I think the dolphins maybe finished eating. It's looking pretty flat, huh? Except right where the waves break.
That way.
Lots of fish jumping still.
You might like that come up here.
Yeah.
Bryce said these waves are too rough.
Oh.
These aren't even nearly as rough as they were last week.
Yeah. You're going to stay here with me? You're going to chillax with Mommy?
Yeah, and Mommy got his new phone.
No, a new phone cover.
Yeah, his new phone.
Yeah, I wish it was a new phone. Firefighter Bob said, what's going on? Yeah. Yeah, we weren't sure if it was a shark at first.
Yeah, I did not dog. We did the way his dog.
Yeah.
No, a guy, doggy dumb.
No one's dumb.
No, doggy, his doggy do this dumb.
Oh, jump.
Yeah, dog.
Jump.
Yeah, doggy do that.
Sharks can jump,
Yeah.
too. Dolphins can jump.
No, both of them did that.
Yeah.
Well, we did that his dog or his doggy or his blue boar.
Yeah, Scarlett thought it was a blue whale.
And we did it. No, we did the one. It got the dog too.
Yeah.
But me, we did the one. That's not his fear. If we
No, Scarlett doesn't want to be on the camera. What'd you find? What? A tooth? No, you didn't. Where'd it go? I dropped it? What color was it? Then look for it. It was a real tooth? Are you lying? It was probably a piece of seaweed.
No.
Firefighter Bob says, what you doing? Oh. Well, it has to be right here, Scarlett.
No.
No, it doesn't? Okay.